Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will try to understand the natural language processing. So I hope every one of you is working on a Google Colab because in the Google Colab, normally no installation of uh, NLP is required. So if you're working in some other environment, you just need to install some of the libraries to go on. So let's try to figure out. So analytics for a beginner using NLTK library. So first we are going to import the NLTK library and we are going to import some of the things which are basically useful for working further. So now what is the meaning of tokenization? So tokenization is a process of breaking down the text, basically a paragraph text into a smaller chunk so that we can understand that. Okay, so let me tell you the meaning of that. Suppose there's a long statement is given inside SMS, and that may contain that you have won the lottery or credit card bills or something like that. So that might be a spam kind of a message. Okay, so when you actually tokenize the paragraph, you can take a meaning out of that and you can choose whether it is a useful message or a spam message. Whether it is a useful ham message or a spam message, you can actually decide for that. So let's break down using a process of tokenization. Okay, so I have basically written the statement like this. MHM outcome based education, our prime focus is to make the change in today's education, and today's education must be outcome based. So let's tokenize it. Let's divide it into small chunks. So you can see the paragraph is divided into the small sentences like this. Okay. Now we can word tokenize also. Like this is a sentence tokenize. We can do a word tokenize. So the paragraph will be break into the small words also. That is also possible. I can find out which is a frequency, how many times which word has been repeated. So there are 20 samples and 26 outcomes are there. Repetition. Is any repetition common words are there like S has been repeated and based has been repeated twice. So you can write down more also like suppose 3 if I write 3 time repetition 3 values. Okay, so make has been repeated twice. You can just write down 10 so that all the repeated value will be covered. Okay, now this 111 also is coming because only 5 are there who are repeated. Okay, you can create a frequency distribution plot also and to check out. Okay, the capital apostrophe S has been repeated thrice, then base is thrice, then education is twice, then we have the other word as one time repetition. Okay, now we are basically going to use a stop word method to consider the noise. So the text may contain the stop words such as is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, have, is, that, can, could, would, should, may, might, must. Is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, have, is, that, can, could, would, should, may, might, must. So you may remove that words if is required. So let's take this. So all is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, have, is, that, can, could, would, should may be taken out of that. Okay, these are the stop word which you may take it outside. Okay, so you can just filter out some of the tokenized words. So this is a tokenized word and the filter sentence. All the stop words will be removed out of that. Great. So what? Okay, because this does not like make any sense to the statements. So words. So we can take out these words outside. It's called basically the stop words. Okay, so using NLP, you can give some commands to your UGV, and that can be tokenized, and the stop word can be removed because different people can use a different statement. So UGV must understand what operator is actually saying to it. So the NLP, very important concept. You can integrate your NLP to actually automate your UGV in a lot of future scope. I hope this is clear to you. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.